Hi, my name is Jennifer Gaudion, and my summer research project is on the impacts of wastewater effluent on the diets of fish. In order to conserve water, wastewater is cleaned and filtered in wastewater treatment plants for use in landscape watering or for release into the environment. Repurposed water can be essential for maintaining the water volume during periods of water stress. Although beneficial, what effect does it pose on the diets of organisms living in the creek? This study explores a critical aspect of our environmental management practices and aims to investigate potential disruption to the availability of macroinvertebrates that serve as the main dietary supplement for the red-breast sunfish by comparing stomach compositions between the impacted reach and the control reach. My focus is on Cibolo Creek in San Antonio, where wastewater from both the Bernie Wastewater Treatment Plant and the Bernie Wastewater Treatment and Water Recycling Center play a vital role in sustaining the water flow in the Cibolo Creek. Further upstream from both plants was our control reach, where no release water was present. Red-breast sunfish were collected in 2023, during 6 months out of the year where wastewater maintained 100% of Cibolo Creek's flow. 5 stomachs were analyzed from both reaches during April, July, August, September, and October, except in November when only 4 specimens from the impacted reach were caught. Each specimen's stomach contents were extracted, weighed, and examined under a microscope. Macroinvertebrates were categorized as aquatic or terrestrial and classified by taxonomic order. In these graphs, each bar represents an individual fish. On the left is the impacted, and on the right is the control, and each color represents different stomach contents, navy being aquatic invertebrates, orange terrestrial, dark green aquatic vegetation, lime green organic material, and light blue digested materials. Notably, each specimen showed unique diet compositions with individual preferences for what they consumed. An interesting observation was the decline in the preference for terrestrial invertebrates during October and November, likely due to reduced availability in the colder months. My findings revealed no strong negative impacts on the diet compositions between the fish from the impacted and control reaches, as there is no sustained difference between the fish on the left and on the right. A greater variety of aquatic macroinvertebrates were present in the fish compositions of the impacted reach, as well as a greater presence of terrestrial invertebrates consumed by impacted male fish compared to the impacted female fish. This variety is a promising sign that wastewater effluent does not impact the availability of the macroinvertebrates, as there is still great diversity present. When compared to the control reach, aquatic macroinvertebrates of the order Diptera were most common. There is fewer diversity, yet the same observation of male specimens consuming more terrestrial invertebrates than female specimens. In the following slides are some examples of the macroinvertebrates that were commonly found. My findings are significant, as they suggest that the treated wastewater discharged into Cibolo Creek can be safely integrated into the local water ecosystem without adverse effects on the fish's diets. In conclusion, my study provides reassuring evidence that the Bernie wastewater treatment plants are effectively recycling water without harming local fish populations' diets. This contributes to our understanding of sustainable water management practices and highlights the importance of continued research and monitoring to ensure the health of our ecosystems. Special thanks to the UT System LSAMP program and UTSA for making this research possible.